This is a certified hood classic.
Hood rich, hood rich, hood.
Feel me? Finna spend that bag on them.
I gotta go to the
Project baby got promethazine all in my baba. I forgot the rest. I ain't gonna lie to you, my boy. But yeah, I ain't trying to get copyrighted. I ain't trying to get copyrighted. You feel me? Hey, I got to eat too, my boy. You feel me? All type of shit.
Wait, what is it? 15? 15 Pro. How many?
No, that's 15 normal, not 15 Pro. Normal has 3 cameras.
Alright,
Trying to get like the Pro, bro.
oh, this is 1, 2, 3.
You want 256? I don't have no 16s with 256.
You just got the regular?
The Pro Maxes come with 256. The regular 16s don't.
Okay, gotcha.
You got a 16 Pro Max? The 16 Pro?
Yeah.
Oh, no, yeah.
I got 16 Pros and Pro Maxes.
What gigabytes you got?
256, they come standard 256.
How much you would do for that?
I don't know what he told you. See what
Yeah,
How much you do for
Did he
it?
tell you any prices?
256 for a 16 Pro.
256 for 16 Pro. I'm trying to text him. You said text and wait, what the fuck? The most? Yo, how much? I mean, I'll give you the phone.
How much I told you for the Pro Max?
Go real touch the price for Pro. I was just interested in 15s and 16s. He gave us 620 bills for the 16 and then 5, 10 for
That's
15.
good to resell them, bro. Honestly, these retail for 8 grand. You got
Yeah.
8 plus tax out of half.
Yeah,
They sell
right.
it for 750.
I'm trying to
130. That's something. I mean, normally, bro, really, I sell it for like 730.
on what, Facebook?
Here, like on Marketplace, I can sell it for that, but they retail over half 800.
Oh yeah,
This is 16.
That's a 16.
Yeah, 15. This is brand new. 15, I think retail for like 6 or something. I'm not too sure right now.
Yeah.
So you can still get it to me.
I'll put a get like a couple of those.
I think I'm to the 16.
We already doing it, right? So just the max, yeah, that shit cool.
Yeah, the Pro Max, man, they expensive, man. They're expensive anywhere.
You said 1100.
Yeah, they retail for 12.
They refund.
Yeah, so you can sell them for 12, you know, or like
Make $100
if you want to
profit.
make like 50 cents. Yeah, that's good. Bro.
I don't know what shows you the messages.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got the messages on
All
it.
the prices.
All right, I got you.
So the 16 right, you ain't got no new ones.
Yeah. No, these aren't brand new, bro.
Oh, those new
These are brand new sealed.
And how many in stock y'all got right now?
No, but he says the screen. Let me put another screen on there.
Okay.
Shit, you messed with you doing shit. Yeah, I'm going. I was just gonna do my little research. But look, like, it's some people, like, they put them bitches high, and some people viewed it. But not too many.
Yeah, let me know in the comments.
And 244 cards. And then we're gonna take pictures like these.
So this year, bro, I only got 2 here. The other one at my other store. Can you go drop it up? It's right, bro.
How
Right,
far?
right.
Like 10 minutes worth.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I thought. So when we go over there, you gonna let them know?
Nah, it's my store.
Then like, so what's your phone number?
I'm gonna give you a receipt.
Alright, yeah. And it's this one.
721.
See, we about to go to a whole different store. They're like, huh? Like, and I gotta pay.
Nigga ready with the bread.
Hell yeah, nigga. Might have to go to ATM.
That shit next door, he said, right?
Should I just do the
It's
ATM?
next door.
Damn, that high ass fee.
What fee?
I gotta take out 600.
How much they gonna charge? They charge you a fee? Damn. I don't think it's more than 5 though. Maybe like $5.
Should I just go to the ATM?
Yeah, nigga. It's right there.
Alright, bro. What I'm talking about though, right? You got one nigga like, oh, you come pick up your phone? It's like 400.
Ooh, that boy carrying that bit.
Profit
Yeah,
money. It's not even new. It's their money.
What?
They made this in like a day. Imagine how much they're making in a month.
It's going crazy.
Dang.
18.
Bro, you gotta peep. They don't just fix phones. They sell them too.
600.
Do 1,800 divided by like 750.
Wait, what?
18.
Yeah, divided by 750.
We making like 240.
Wait, what the
Nah,
fuck?
nah.
What type of
the
math
fuck?
was you doing?
That was wrong, bro. What the hell?
What
I
y'all
dropped
tryna
out, man.
So you gotta do
No.
3 phones times 700. That's 2100.
Do 750.
And then you
750.
do 3 times 750.
Divided by 1800. Oh, yeah, you right. Divided by 1800. We making. What the fuck?
Bro, that's bad math. You got a minus what you. So 22. Okay,
This nigga said the
750 times.
Yeah, I might have to take this
3,
out the video.
And then now you copy that number.
nigga, you could have just done it right
225. Put it, paste it.
No, you done sure. I could have just did it. I don't know what the fuck I did.
Peace.
Minus 1800.
450. We making 450.
Guess.
Divided by 3.
there. Nigga, what?
Because we buying 3 phones.
I mean, okay. Yeah,
150 each.
yeah.
Okay.
Obviously,
We just did our math all over again. Just
Yeah, we didn't even have to do all that. I don't know why I did that shit.
Yeah, man, you got it.
Yeah, bro.
Divide that shit, nigga.
1800 divided by 3.
Why you put it in the wallet, bro? Like you ain't
We
finna
just
spend
made
that
sure our
bitch.
math was mathing, bro. It was legit.
Yeah, wallet is even a wallet, right?
Boy, got the cash out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus 2.
Be official, man. You know, no issue, name and all that.
Damn, they gonna be on your ass with this shit, nigga. Damn, T, you should have asked him. T, you should have asked this nigga if you could have, like, get another one at the other. This how it was, don't. You wanna go back in there and ask him?
right?
Just tell him this how it was.
Right.
That shit might do a little effect. Niggas might be on bullshit because of that little shit.
Here, bro.
It's just a box though, but like.
But that was the last 2 he had.
At the other one we talking about.
Oh,
Yeah, that was on the phone.
You gotta make sure
and
you
then
check
bro
that
called the other bro on the phone. He's like, yo, woo woo, and he told exactly what I needed. Like, swap the other phone out and give me 2 phones.
You gotta check
Now we
that
gotta
bitch.
check them bitches.
Yeah, what?
Now we
Nigga?
finna see
What
what
the
the
fuck
vibes
is
with
this?
these.
No.
What is that? What are they like? They sticker. Oh,
What
Look
the
like water
fuck?
jammers, though. Let me just get both.
yeah, check.
Yeah, just be like, that shit got a little bit of water on this one.
I feel like you ain't got to touch that shit when you ship them.
Oh yeah, where we
You just
gonna
ship
ship them.
that shit, nigga.
We ain't gotta meet up, none of
You ain't gotta meet up no more, nigga. We just ship this shit out. That's the whole. I don't know.
Even if you do meet up, nigga, that shit still gonna go quick.
Yeah, they gonna check that bit, make sure that be official. I'm a soldier, and you know what I told ya.
Damn, nigga, the one part crew on this bitch. What?
What the hell is? What the hell is? What the hell is?
Alright, we just sold this. Finna go to ship these out right now. Finna head to UPS. Sold them on eBay for like $760. So yeah, they is selling, y'all. So yeah, hey, we might be on some, y'all. So finna head there right now. Let me take y'all with me. Just got here to UPS. Feel me? Finna go ship these out. You know what I mean? Legit iPhone. Finna. How you doing? I'm trying to ship this up. It's for eBay.
You got a QR code?
Yeah, that shit was like $18. Shit. Yeah, y'all see them bitches moving. Y'all, I'ma just, try to be more consistent on here. Just, put y'all on game, show y'all what's moving, y'all. Let me know if y'all still on clothes, if y'all still, interested in what I know type shit. Y'all wanna, see what's popping right now and shit. I for sure, let y'all know. Just let me know what y'all want to see on this, on this page, what y'all want to see more. And I'm gonna try to get more active on here. But, yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all again, you feel me? If I turn this bitch on. All right, y'all.